Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about stem analysis. Chrysanthemums in season, so wonderful, long-lasting, so many different colors and shapes and varieties. Sometimes they've got fabulous long laterals that you can use in a small arrangement so easily, just breaking them down, using them on their natural stem. Other times, they're very short, and that's where, as a professional, you have to know how to analyze the stem, determining how best to cut it so that you can use as many blooms as possible. Cutting out from the center, using this cluster, then analyzing the stem, determining where best to cut, maybe cutting out from the center here, and then using the rest on the master stem. Now you have 3 that are all usable lengths. Now you know the pro technique for analyzing your stems.